So welcome back to another video. I'm still going to go through GBPUSD as it's one of my major pairs that I trade. I'm just going to talk about what's sort of happening in the market currently and what I see and what I will be looking forward to doing. So let's start off with the weekly time frame. Here we see that in the past 3-4 weeks that there's these wick rejections of around 1.3600, 1.3650 area, and we see that there is a still current downtrend. The past 2 weeks hasn't closed or shown some great bullish momentum, so I don't see GBPUSD necessarily pushing to the upside. And after the as you can see now, currently in this week, it's showing some bearish momentum. So let's go down to the daily time frame. Here on the daily time frame, let me just show you what I see. I see this horizontal ray which I should apply here. So what I was trying to say is I see this head and shoulder pattern. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and here I would apply the trend line, or the neckline as I should say. And from this I can see that there is some bearish momentum here, so this could possibly break this and fall down in the next following couple days. GBPUSD in the long term is actually quite bearish. This bullish momentum could be like a fake out or something, just trick traders really, but at the end of the day it could be for institutions to get in at a higher price to sell. So let's go down onto the 4 hours. From the 4 hours, the past couple of days, I actually had this counter trend line. So I was expecting this to break and go further down. So this is one of the trades that I did have. I didn't trade this. I was actually trading USD CAD, but this is one of the trades that I did miss this week. Yeah, moving averages are still up and it's curled down. I would say this was a break, so I'm actually looking to see if price action will test market structure, as I'll show you in a second. I see price action possibly coming down, retest off this area. If it shows some bearish momentum, so some bearish candlestick formation, I will like to see it come further down. So this could be applied using the Fibonacci as well. So if you entered around there on the lower time frames, that's excellent. But if you haven't, this is sort of the trade that I'm looking to get into next. Well, it's at around 38.2. Obviously, it depends on the bullish momentum back to the upside. So I'm going to anticipate and wait. So it could come here, could come up a bit higher up, around 61.8%, reject off this trend line here, and then wait for it to come further down. So if I put, let's say, the risk reward tool, let's say it came up to 61.8%, and so 21, I would say around 35 is a good amount of space for the chart to move into our direction. So this is a great example of a great risk reward, showing that you can make 3.3%. And yeah, so this is the trade that I will be anticipating in the next couple days, maybe next week. With that being said, let me just show you US dollar. It does look quite a bit messy, but that is for a reason. On the daily time frame, you see, what I can see is that there is some support level down here, and you can see how many times it rejected it. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So it's been holding for quite some time. Price action hasn't completely traded underneath this line. So this could potentially go to the upside as MAs are still up, but looking from the 4 hours, it's been showing some lower lows, lower highs over here. So what I will be anticipating to see is how price action reacts to this. This counter trend line will show me, is this left shoulder, head, and right shoulder on the higher time frame? So like on the daily time frame, I'm not too sure. I do need more confirmation. Break of the neckline would be a good sign. Here on the 2 hour, MAs are still down, although price action is above it. But you can see that it just actually closed as a shooting star. It doesn't really have a wick at the bottom, but it does show some bearish momentum. So this could possibly make a new lower low. So can apply fib on this and see where it will go next. If US dollar is going down, I will be anticipating to see GBP to go up, but we'll wait to see how price action reacts to this area here. And so for this video, just keep a lookout, anticipate price action, because you do want to get a nice clear opportunity, let's say for example like this, or to the downside like this. But at the moment, I would hold on until in the early morning tomorrow and see how price action has continued or broken this counter trend line through the night. And for this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think of what you see in the charts, and yeah, hopefully you have a great trading week.